I want to talk about how to go through the videos and do the homework in the most efficient and quickest way possible for you. Now, each section we do in the class, I have videos, and of course I also have homeworks. And it works the same in all the sections. I just happen to pick 6.1. So what I recommend you do is on the video page is watch the first few videos. Sometimes one of the first videos talks about specific homework question, but sometimes I have lectures. So here I have an introduction to the normal curve video. And this is not one that I created, but it's one that I think is important for you. This particular section, I have some extra instructions to download these two images and then watch this video. Now notice the title of this is Chapter 6.1. It does not reference any specific problem, so you should watch this video before you start the questions in 6.1. So you watch those two videos, and then this video finally says 6.1.2. So this video right here will reference question number 2 in section 6.1. So what I recommend you do is when you see a question referenced in the video, you should be able to do the questions before this particular one, before 6.1.2. So there's only one question before that, 6.1.1. And then for 6.1.2, I recommend you watch this video first and then attempt 6.1.2. The next video I have, and it's also the last one, is 6.1.6. So there's several questions in between 6.1.2 and 6.1.6, like 6.1, number 3, 4, and 5. There's no videos for those questions. So what I intend is for you to watch this video right here, 6.1.2, and then do all the questions from 6.1.2 up through 6.1.5. And once you get to 6.1.6, watch this video and then finish the questions 6.1.6 and after. Some sections have maybe 3 or 4 or 5 homework videos that I've put in here, and you don't need to watch them all, but most students would like to watch them before attempting the question. And that will usually be the fastest way to learn the material, get through the section. Also, I recommend having the cheat sheet available. And probably the best place, I believe I have it listed at the top of the course resources, the formula page. Come on, there we go, course resources. This formula page right here, because different videos reference things from the formula page. It may also be good to have your textbook opened up in another tab, but definitely you want the formulas because I use those pretty heavily. And if you ever see a formula missing on this formula page, let me know and I will add it to this page right here. And this page is going to be available on your midterm and your final exam. So you don't need to write down anything that's already listed in here because you're going to get that automatically on the midterm and final.